from Elgas here. In early May, the federal government released their latest budget, and it came as not a surprise to many of us. The government decided to scrap the instant asset write-off that we've all enjoyed over the last few years. What they replaced it with is an instant asset write-off of any asset purchased up to $20,000. This takes effect for the 2024 financial year. So up until the 30th of June this year, you can purchase an asset for your business of any value, and as long as it's installed and ready for use by 30th of June, you can claim a tax deduction. From the 1st of July this year, we are unable to claim a tax deduction for assets that are purchased over the value of $20,000. Instead, we're going to need to depreciate it back under the old rules. So either using the depreciation rate or putting it into a pooling system. So now you have a couple of weeks before the 30th of June to purchase assets for your business and claim a full tax deduction, whereas next year we'll be limited to the instant asset write-off of $20,000 and not be able to claim a full tax deduction. So please get purchasing.